Hi, Joan. You did a really nice job on your World War II propaganda video. I really appreciated your very clear voice and the engaging visuals. And it looks like maybe this is some project that students are going to have that, or maybe ties into a bigger project. I wasn't quite sure. But definitely the objective of your video was to teach about propaganda from World War II. And I liked how you set it up with current propaganda just so that students can make a connection between what they see today and what they're supposed to be thinking about in the past. So that was really nicely done. Your voice was very clear and calm and smooth, so I appreciated that as well. And you moved along through your slides in a very appropriate way, matching what you were discussing. So that was very useful. The only thing I would love to have seen is if you would have been able to capture your own face, just to create more of that teacher presence, even if it was just for a little while. Sometimes teachers can use it when they first open up a video, just to say, hey, I'm here. And so students get that sense that the teacher is talking directly to them. But otherwise, you did a really nice job in your lecture video, and I hope that it is used by you for your students. Thank you.